Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So are you having a problem of stretch mark on your belly, your upper boob side, or anywhere, or rather on your thigh? Okay, so the thing is that there are different types of stretch mark. There are the ones that are black, there are the ones that are white, and there are old stretch marks. Okay, so there are the ones that are not even white or black, they have their own different colors. Yeah, so this different types of stretch mark has a duration of time that it goes on the skin, but of course stretch mark does not actually just disappear on the skin like that. It takes a little while. Okay, so this home remedy is actually going to help you to gradually get rid of it, and you're going to be loving how this is going to be on your skin. There are two methods of achieving the result of this stretch mark, so keep watching till the end as I'm going to be showing you the two ways. Okay, so if you want to know what all of this is all about, please do continue watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me walk you through into this video. So to get rid of stretch marks, you're going to be needing sea salt. Okay, you have to go to the supermarket and get a sea salt. Now that is actually going to help to scrub out dead skin cells from your skin, actually helping you to reduce the stretch mark on your skin. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you're going to order it online if you can't get it in a supermarket. And this is perfect. Sea salt is a great remedy which helps to scrub out the dead skin cells, and it also helps with other ingredients to benefit your skin. So what we're going to do is that you're going to be taking just a little bit of it. Okay, just half teaspoon, because you actually do not need it too much on your skin also. Okay, half teaspoon is perfect. Then the next ingredient, we're going to be needing lemon. Lemon is citric in nature, and as such it is perfect for the skin. It's perfect in scrubbing out stretch marks, and it's also a great remedy for making your skin look smooth. It contains vitamin C that lightens up your skin and give your skin a glow. So what we are going to do is that you're going to cut in your lemon, and then you're going to squeeze it in. Yeah, you squeeze the lemon into the sea salt, and this is how it should look. Now the next ingredient you're going to be making use of is coffee. Now coffee helps to scrub out dead skin cells, it helps for cellulite, it helps for stretch marks, it helps for lumpiness of the skin, and it also helps to reduce the excessiveness of oil production on the skin. So we need this a whole lot, so we're going to be cutting in the coffee, and then you're going to be putting in the coffee into the bowl. And then what you do next is that you're going to mix this all up. And this is a perfect scrub. Yeah, a perfect scrub to scrub out stretch mark. Okay guys, so the next ingredient we're going to be needing almond oil. Almond oil is a great remedy that helps to tighten the skin because it contains vitamin E, which creates a glow and increase the elasticity on the skin, and it also makes the skin look super duper young. Getting another bowl, and then we're going to be putting in just some drops of almond oil, which is that is about 1 tablespoon, and this is it. And then you're going to be needing carrot oil. Okay, carrot oil for this ingredient is perfect. Carrot oil is a wonderful oil. It's a great oil for the skin. It creates a glow on the skin. It actually helps to moisturize the skin, and using it alongside with other ingredients will help to remove or fade off stretch mark. So you're going to put in another of this oil, which is carrot oil, into this mix, and then you're going to mix the oil together. Also going to be needing carrots, okay, which is actually very important. Now this is how you're going to do it. You're going to first of all peel your carrots. And then you're going to crate it. You can either crate your carrots or you can blend it, okay? For me, I'm actually going to be creating the carrots. What you're going to do is that you're going to put in just a little bit of water to bring out the juice of this carrot, and then you try to mix it by pressing it so that the carrot juice can be out. Now after that, then you would have to sieve it out. This is the carrot juice. Okay, so what you do is that you're going to be putting this carrot juice in this oil. And now you're going to whisk it, or you're going to mix it, okay? So this is actually going to turn to water-based oil, which is what we need right now, because we need a water-based oil for the stretch mark area. So this is carrot oil plus the juice, and this is the scrub that you're going to apply this onto your stretch mark area. All right, and then you're going to scrub. This is actually a scrub for your stretch mark, so you actually scrub really well, just like I'm scrubbing right now. I'm sorry I have to use my hand, okay, because YouTube actually does not like you to reveal some private areas. I would have actually showed you some parts in which I have a little bit of stretch mark, which is actually fading off really well. And throughout my pregnancy, I wasn't experiencing the stretch mark, yeah, and because I've actually been using this oil. So okay, so this is how you're going to scrub. You're going to scrub it really well, and after you scrub, then you can hold it on for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then you go wash it off. Let me wash this off and tell you the next thing you're going to do. So after the scrub, then you would be needing to use the oil, and then you can actually transfer this oil in an airtight container, and then you would have to first of all turn it, stir it, or shake it, okay, before you apply it. And then you apply a very generous amount, and make sure that the water actually touches those places in which the oil is touching, okay, as in the juice of the carrot. That's what I mean. When it touches it, it's actually going to make it really soft, okay, really soft. And in some few days or some few weeks or months, depending on how old your stretch mark is. If your stretch mark is quite old, it's actually going to take a little long while for it to go, but you have to be consistent, because consistency actually make this treatment works really well. Okay, so you make sure that the water, like, look at that, the water actually touches your skin, and it's actually going to make this ingredient, this oil, really soft. Like, trust me, try this particular one and be patient while you try it, because it's actually not just going to disappear like that. It's going to be removing little by little, and before you know it, the stretch mark is gone. Okay, so you store this for as long as you want it. When you bring it out, you just shake it. And also for this, you can store it for some few days. You can store it up to 2 weeks. It's just that when you want to use it, you have to put in a little bit of lemon. You squeeze it in again, and then you shake it, and then you scrub your body or wherever you want to scrub with it, and perfect. For this, you store it, and that's it. Your stretch mark will be gone. Just like I said before, you have to make sure that the juice of the carrot actually touches the oil, and you apply it, rub it really well, and it's actually going to get rid of all of that, and you are going to be loving your skin, guys. Okay, this is actually very beautiful, and it takes a little time, but it is going to go. So be consistent in this and give it a little time to work, yeah, and you are gonna be loving it. Okay, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and have a fresh skin. Bye guys.